Hey everyone, welcome back to Femme Finance. Today we're diving deep into one of the most critical questions. How much do you really need to retire comfortably? Retirement planning can feel overwhelming, but don't worry. I'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step process to help you figure it out. Whether you're just starting or well on your way, this video will help you set clear targets for your financial future. Stick around till the end for some powerful tips that could change your retirement game. First, let's talk about income replacement. This is the percentage of your pre-retirement income you'll need to maintain your current lifestyle in retirement. The general rule of thumb is to aim for 70 to 80% of your pre-retirement income. But why? Because in retirement, some of your expenses will reduce. You won't be commuting daily, and you won't be saving for retirement anymore. Next, let's look at age-based savings targets to keep you on track. Here are some benchmarks to aim for, according to financial experts. By age 35, save 1 to 1.5 times your current salary. By age 50, save 3.5 to 6 times your salary. By age 60, save 6 to 11 times your salary. By age 67, aim for 10 to 12 times your final salary. These targets provide a rough idea of how much you should have saved at various stages of your life to ensure a comfortable retirement. Now let's talk about the famous 4% rule. This rule suggests that you can withdraw 4% of your retirement savings annually, adjusted for inflation, and still have a high probability of not running out of money over a 30-year retirement. While these guidelines are helpful, your retirement needs will depend on personal factors like your desired lifestyle, expected lifespan, and healthcare costs. A great way to get a personalized estimate is by using a retirement calculator. These tools take into account your specific situation to project how much you need to save and spend annually in retirement. Remember to factor in inflation, investment returns, and potential changes in expenses. To reach your retirement goals, start with these smart saving strategies. Start early and save consistently. The earlier you start saving, the more you benefit from compound interest. Maximize contributions. Contribute to tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks and IRAs. Invest according to your risk tolerance. Choose investments that match your risk profile and time horizon. Seek professional help. Consider working with a financial advisor to create a comprehensive retirement plan. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Beware of common mistakes like underestimating healthcare costs, ignoring inflation, or not adjusting your savings plan over time. Regularly review and adjust your plan to stay on track. And there you have it. A complete guide to estimating how much you'll need to retire comfortably. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Femme Finance for more straightforward, no-nonsense financial advice. Remember, your future starts today. Let's build it together. This content is for educational purposes only. Always consult with a professional advisor before making any significant financial decisions. Thanks for watching.